Fam. Hey, Petty Fam. We're doing Clarence NYC, Queen and Legend visit Clarence on Scream. Let's get into it.
Painkillers.
Yo, y'all can hear me now?
He want the scoop, she want the tea. I cannot speak. We keeping it street.
Y'all can hear me now? Copy. We just finished eating some nasty ass Chinese food.
My soup wasn't nasty.
I knew it was gonna go bad when what is this green stuff? You know what I mean?
I have a balled up.
What's up?
Hey, Legend. He's still jamming.
That shit look nasty, right?
Where's what? I got your cane.
Look, you know how to walk with that?
You gotta put it down.
Look at this, y'all. Well, look what I'm doing, man. Look, I got a cane, gang.
What in the world happened to Clarence?
Got a little story time, obviously. What happened, broski?
Close the curtains.
Hooping, gang.
I'll close them.
That's why I said, bro, I think it's over. I think I'm retiring, gang. Might be over. Say it might be over.
What? He ain't playing basketball no more. He got hurt. He be really getting serious when he be playing, though. He be going in. He back in New York playing on the courts.
It might be over.
Yeah, it might be over. For daddy.
You want me to close it?
It don't matter. Yeah, you can close it. Look, Clarence dramatic as fuck. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, gang. I don't wanna jinx it.
Yeah, don't say it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. But
He hurt himself.
I think I gotta stop playing ball, man. Like, I feel like I'm too old to get hurt. Like, what am I getting hurt? Like, oh, nah, I was hooping. Like, I'm not in the NBA. I did stretch. I landed wrong, bro, in my knee. Like, thank God nothing popped.
Somebody said a cane is OD.
Hold on, because Legend trying to touch the keyboard.
You want to go with mommy?
No keyboard for Legend.
Want to go with mommy? Come on.
Look, I'm going to play his song real quick. Look, he love this song. Hold on. Before you take
What song we going to play, Legend? What song you want to play?
What song you want to hear?
Subway Surfer.
Yeah.
That's
Thank you for not getting his copywritten. Pretend you hear it. Bob along.
Now, I'm not going to lie.
You want to dance with your cane?
I know I do. What?
You want to dance with your cane?
I know I look old as hell with this cane, but Queen ordered this for me this morning, and it's actually very helpful when you're by yourself. So, but my knee, my shit, I can't put my leg straight. My shit is stuck like that.
Girl, I know I love you.
See, he's singing it.
You want
Girl, you know I love it. Go ahead.
He's so smart. He turned it back on himself. I like that hair, Queen. That's pretty. I like it on you. That is so smart. He getting tall too.
He be singing it, y'all. He be fronting.
Bro, he be fronting, yeah.
Fronting.
He be singing it all day, and then.
Yeah, are you sweet? So baby.
My foot, Legend.
He actually said it.
Legend, show her that you can catch. Come catch this. Catch. No, you gotta bag it right there. Right here. Okay. Go. All right. Okay. I'm not gonna underhand. I'm gonna throw it. All right, come on. One time. All right, good job. You're fine.
Now you gonna wanna keep playing.
Yeah, I know you're gonna keep playing.
All right.
All right, Daddy got a stream, okay? Look, catch it. Ooh!
Oh, babe. Do it again.
The baby let me get a little.
She love that.
Give me a dance on you with this. Oh wait, that's what's the word?
No, yeah, see?
All right, sorry.
Yeah, you trying to get a nigga excommunicated.
Sorry. All right, I'm out. I'm about to go.
Here, take the ball. Good job.
The more he gonna keep doing it.
All right, here, you too.
All right, mommy gonna play catch with you. Come on. You love your mother?
Daddy, can I play rotten egg?
We can't play rotten egg right now. We gotta go outside to play rotten egg.
You see the face he said.
We gotta wait, okay?
Ain't that what you need at her?
Yeah, no, but her on the side though.
Go get your muffins, Legend. Get the muffins.
Alright, yeah, so damn.
Your muffins on the couch.
So basically, niggas can't guard me is basically what is, you know what I mean? I was going, wait, is my shit on?
Come on, Dada. Come on, Dada. Let's go.
Why I didn't hit my notifications?
You want to get the rest? Get the rest. Get the whole bag of your muffins. Okay. One more of your muffins?
My butt crack showed.
Is it?
Bro, niggas is lying. Why is niggas looking at my, like, trying to look at my butt crack though? Niggas is posing here. Is it your markers?
Yeah, those for the,
I can't even.
it's fine. Reach with it with the cane.
You don't want those muffins?
That's what I'm trying to make them do. Like, you don't want some blueberry muffins? Wait, hold on, babe. What's more snacks you got in there?
What?
What all you have in there?
I don't know yet. You trying to look at my snacks?
Yeah. Oh, what the heck?
I had oatmeal cream pies in there, but I ate them. I got a bunch of chips.
You
I got Cheez-Its, Little Bites. I got Cheetos, Doritos.
I wouldn't want to try it. I want the character to be
There it is.
All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Get better soon, Clarence. I hate he hurt himself. Jeez. You could tell he limping. All right. Bye, y'all.